Welcome to new video. In this video, we will learn how to express 130, 170, 185 as the sum of squares of two natural numbers in two different ways. Let's get started. Means we will expressing a number as a square plus b square. So first here is 130. So we have to find out a trick, which number is nearest perfect square of 130. This is 130 and nearest perfect square is 121. It means 11 square. So till we need how many numbers? It means 1 minus 121, it will be 9. Look, 9 is also a perfect square, right? So this case we can write 121 plus 9. It means 130. This one we can express like 11 square plus 3 square. Okay, so first one done. Second one, again 130. So we have to find out what is the second next of perfect square. So this case we can write like here is 121, 130. Second next perfect square is 100. So 100 plus 30 is not possible. So what is the third one? It's 9 square. It means 81. So minus 81. Here is 9. Carry 1 9. So here is 4. 49 also a perfect square. So this case we can write 81 plus 49. That means 9 square plus 7 square. Okay, so first one done. We are trying to express two different ways. Now 170. 170. We have to find out what is the nearest or closest perfect square of 170. So 170 nearest perfect square is 169 because this is 13 square. So minus 169, it will be 1. So 1 also a perfect square, right? 1 square means 1. So we can say 169 plus 1, it means 13 square plus 1 square. So it's looking a square plus b square. Again we are trying to find out two different way. 170. Again we can write, so what is the next? 170 next perfect square is 144, which is 12 square. So 170 minus 144. So here is 6, then 5, it will become 26, but 26 is not a perfect square. So we have to go next one. It means 170 third perfect square is 121. So 121 is a 11 square. So minus 121, it will be, here is 9, 3, 7 minus 3 is a 4. 49 is a perfect square, which is 7 square. Therefore we can write 121 plus 49, it means 11 square plus 7 square. Okay, done. So 170 done. Now we will find out 185. 185. So 185, which is the closest perfect square? Which is 169. Look, 185 closest perfect square is 169. So 169, once we subtract from 185, 169. So here is 6 and here is what? 16. 16 also a perfect square. It means 169 plus 16. This one is 13 square plus 4 square. Again 185. This one like 121 plus 64, also a 180. So we can write 121 plus 64. What does mean? 121, it means 11 square, and 64 means 80 square. So look, this is a expressed as a square plus b square. So step by step we are trying to find out two natural numbers in two different ways. Sum of squares 130, 170, 185, done. So thank you very much. This video you will watch in YouTube. Channel name is SaadX and Facebook page the name is Pencil. I wish you will subscribe and follow both of the platforms. Thank you very much. See you in next video.